Now, the concept of truly knowing a place, from its natural ecologies and tree species to its geological history and climatic conditions, before putting pen to paper, is at the heart of Faulkner architects' approach to placemaking. Located at the base of the 3-million-year-old volcano, the land of this house is filled with volcanic sediments from ancient flows and scattered with boulders up to 5 meters in diameter, along with Jeffrey pine and white fir trees. As the name suggests, the setting of Lookout House is central to its identity. The form follows the contours of the land, encompassing 3 levels that descend with the mountain slope. The architects created a narrow 3-story colored window to spread this glow across the exposed concrete walls at the entrance and staircase. The red-orange glass suggests the color of cooling magma, referencing the site's geology and bathing the entry, central staircase, and a section of the master suite in a warm glow. This became a psychological warming element at the heart of the house, and like the sun or a star, it acts as a reference point, an orienting element. When the morning light enters the house, a red glow floods the stairwell. The kitchen cabinetry references the red glass at the center of the house and includes a modular shelving system with a concealed stove hood. The refrigerator is hidden in the pantry. The challenging terrain presented obstacles, and the harsh mountain climate required a palette of durable, time-tested materials. Monolithic concrete walls made from local sand and aggregate form a base that extends to the roofs to enclose the space, while full-height openings with glazed sliding doors open the house to the prevailing southwesterly breezes. Interestingly, the site is adjacent to a ski run that was integrated into the design through a 3-meter-wide opening in the rear concrete retaining walls, allowing the slope to flow into the building's form. During ski season, snow gradually fills this volume, and the kids can ski right up to the living room doors. Throughout the house, the built environment is subdued in color and tone, allowing the surrounding landscape to take center stage. A sun nook and retreat are positioned at the southern end, with robust concrete columns opening to a sunken spa. Large 6-meter-long, 20-inch thick insulated concrete walls carve into the land to hold the earth. The upper floor is divided around the central pathway running north to south. The bedrooms are on the west side, and the living areas are on the east. The 6-millimeter thick steel sheet roof requires little maintenance and is fire resistant, an important quality in fire-prone California. The lowest level includes a living room, ski storage, and laundry. A large large master suite occupies the top floor, containing the bedroom, bathroom, living room, and terrace, with panoramic views of the valley. The roof leans towards the mountains and descends into the valley like a visor, while the main house mirrors the ski slope on the eastern side of the property, creating a central axis that runs through the house. In addition to the colorful glass detail and concrete walls, the house's minimalist material palette includes radiant heated basalt floors, integrating with the volcanic basalt blocks found on the property, while walnut wood came from orchards in the Sierra foothills. Full-height sliding glass doors connect the house to the surrounding mountains, the ski run, and the meadow below. Produced through layers upon layers of sketches and studies that first aim to uncover the site's existing attributes and features, this architecture does not reflect a singular concept or idea. The built environment, including its appearance, is the product of a series of realizations that together set the stage for life to unfold. The process is about an approach to problem solving in a challenging but epic alpine site. The finished location engages the continuous space from the slope to the southern sun and the mountaintop that has existed for millions of years.